Saudi 167 service, wind is 3609 knots, runway 34 right, clear for takeoff, airborne 240.
Clear for takeoff, 34 right, airborne 124.0, Saudi 167 from
Clear for
Allah.
takeoff, 34 right, airborne 240. Ready?
Ready يا كابتن بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم توكلنا على الله ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
Takeoff. Manual 655 is RS runway auto thrusters.
Set.
Checked.
$100 knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Pause, climb.
Europe. Now.
Check.
Okay, autopilot is engaged.
Check. Departure, assalamu alaikum, sabah al-khair, Saudi 167 out of 800, Jeddah 1 Alpha.
Saudi 167, due to departure, right, confirm to light, it's 5 passing 1200, continue climb, flight level 190, passing 5000, we'll see direct to Baghdad.
To continue climb, flight level 190, passing altitude 5000, direct to Baghdad, Saudi 167.
Lever climb.
Check.
Thrust climb, auto thrust is active.
Check.
And passing 5,000 feet, turn direct Migda.
Check.
Climb flight level 190.
Check.